there and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will be going to check out a cliff house in Valencia Negros Oriental, and yeah, see you there. So guys, we are here now in cliff house located in Valencia Negros Oriental, and yeah, I guess we are the only guests here. So this is I think this is the first dine-in they have. Very quiet here. Quiet here.
It is. Come on.
Come on. And yeah, I'm going to show you what they have here. Beautiful spot and views. They had a lot of flowers, and the flower is really beautiful. It's a bit noisy outside. There's some motorcycles, and yeah, I'm sorry for that. And yeah, we're going to show you the flowers. It's really good. She has cute flowers here. This is the bridal one. There's a dog. Very quiet. It's really kind of cold here because you can see the beauty of province, and yeah, I think over there has a waterfalls, but I don't know which way to go there. It's a kind of secluded, and I can see the water there, and yeah, great place. This table is empty. They don't have so much customer because because of this pandemic, and I think they just limited customers, and because social distance nowadays. And before, these tables are occupied and there are lots of customers, and I guess today no customers, and the customers is very limited because of the pandemic and social distancing. So yeah, really great. Look at those. This is the view here. See that? I can see the pond there. There is the pond. And the temperature is quite nice and very cold, unlike in the city. The city is very hot, and here is really different. We have also like this for taking pictures. If you like to take a pictures here, then you can set there. You can set there and overlooking view. Like that. We have also CR. We have also CR. If you want to wash your hand, we have also, so you can wash it here before you eat. Here. We have also moisturizing hand soap for your hands before to eat. And guys, this is the best spot that you want to go. This this the treehouse. The treehouse is really cool, and it is overlooking view, and the temperature is really cool here. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Sir Sean, what can you say about spot here?
Mark's awesome.
Hi, it's great.
Great view.
Yeah.
Great view.
It's supposed to be a lot of customer coming here before, right?
Yeah.
So guys, here's the menu for the clip house. And this is the full address. They have all day breakfast. If you are vegetarian, you can have. And the price is not bad. We have also the clip house favorites. Buttered. I love buttered prawns. And garlic salmon, chicken wings. They have also great pasta here. I have this one before, and it's really good. Good for 3 person for only 1 serve. And they have special offer. Clip house beef. This is special chicken with fries. There's the burger zone. Burger zone. So here's the burger. The Clip House burgers, 260. In the top with fresh veggies and finish with a fried egg. But no cheese, no problem. Just like here.
Feels good. Is it?
We have special offer. This is my order, babe. Special offer. Fried. Wow. Looks good. And it's only 280. And it's huge. Salo-salo meal, char. This is for this is for a group of people to eat, because it's quite expensive. 899 and 485. I can't afford. Small meals or snacks. We have french fries for only 110. Chicken and fries, 210. Tuna melt. I love tuna melt. I always make tuna melt in home. Tuna patties. Hot dog sandwich for only 65. And of course, beverages. We have soft drink cans. We have also 1.5. We have also hot and cold drinks, canned juices, and also beer, Sandhill beer. So yeah. So guys, after 45 minutes, here is our order.
Jeez, that's one huge burger, man.
It is, oh my God, this is the best burger I have.
That will feed you for 3 days, kid.
Yes,
Let's
huge,
Do
very huge.
let's do a selfie. Or should I wait till your food comes?
Oh.
Ging.
No.
Selfie.
Selfie.
I'll post this.
Hi. Huge burger.
So guys, after 45 minutes waiting for the food, and yeah, here is our order. Really huge, and it's is $5. It's only $5, and yeah, really good burger. I really recommend this burger. And with French fries. And yeah, wow. Go, get it.
Fries aren't bad. Just put a little salt on them.
My mouth is so small.
I'm not sure if I'm gonna do
Gracie, what you have?
What is this, babe? Triple cheeseburger? Yeah, it's triple cheeseburger.
With no onions?
I'm already full, Jesus.
You can do it.
caramelized onions.
No, I can't.
Just take it slowly.
If I will eat it slowly, I think I will be finished tomorrow.
Can you recommend this restaurant?
This place is very good. The place is very nice.
Can you take a bite of the hamburger for the
No, I
camera?
can't.
For the camera.
Do it.
No!
Do it.
Hindi na ko kaya.
Sige na, one time. Okay.
One,
You freeze it
one,
Just
two.
bite right there.
There you go. Namarap na kayo na. That's all. I can.